How to create a Harlequin pattern design like this in Affinity Photo. A design that you could use for just creating amazing patterns, super easy, using stock photos. And that's the key thing here. Loads of great stock photos are all available inside Affinity Photo, all for free. And I'm going to show you in this video how to do that, PC or Mac. A very useful feature of Affinity Photo is the access to stock photo within the application. Super useful, and here is the stock panel, and you can find it via window and stock. So with that, you can just go here and you can enter some text. I'm going to go with gradients. But now let's just, before do anything else, just remove that. The key thing is you have to click here. I understand. Just make sure you click that, and then you can type something, like say gradients, and it will throw up quite a few images. Now you can then just drag down here, and you can drag, and then it will refresh, and you can drag some more, and you will see you get hundreds and hundreds of entries, which you can then use in Affinity Photo. So if you want to add it to your image, all you need to do is to select one. Simply just go here and just drag. Straight away, it's added to Affinity Photo as a layer. And you can move around, reposition it, apply effects to it, and a whole lot more. And you'll notice when you first use it, pops up with a little message saying who it's by and dimensions. So I'm just going to remove that one, because what I want to do is create pattern design with it. And I'm just going to go over here and I'm just going to select this, the diamond tool, and create a diamond shape. Now, what you can do, just go over here and I'm just going to select one that looks quite interesting, nice little sort of scene like this one. And I can drag from here, simply just drag and release. And as soon as it's done that, you'll notice what you get. You get this message showing who it's by, etc. And also you get the layer here. Now it's not part of the diamond at this point. What you need to do is just go here and in the layers panel, which you can find in the window menu, layers, simply just drag down. And as you do that, just highlight the whole thing. So you see the whole thing goes blue. So there, and release. Now you can see it's inside that diamond shape. And you can then select the diamond and you can move it around. You can also, if you've got the diamond tool still selected, add additional diamond. I don't want to do that. What you need to do is select the move tool. So move tool, and then just move that around. You can also move the image as well by going to here, just selecting this and not the diamond, and then reposition that and resize it, etc. Okay, I've got the diamond selected. Now I want to turn it into a pattern. So what I can do, just go to layer and rasterize. It needs to be rasterized to turn it into a pattern layer. So rasterize, got that. I can now go to layer and new pattern layer from selection. It's currently selected. I can now go with that and you get that. Well, that's pretty good. I've still got the original image, which I don't want. So I'm just going to delete that one. Just select it and delete, and that's gone. Well, what you can then do is just select it here. You can see the bounding box here. You must select that, or just go over here and select it over here. But I want an additional pattern layer. So I'm just going to hold down the Alt Option key, that's on the keyboard, and just drag. And now I can place it like this, slot it in like that. It snaps to that. You can see that view, and you've got all the options here for snapping. Just make certain that's turned on and it will snap into position. So you got this pattern. You got two patterns. Well, you can select both of them and then go to layer and then just down to merge selected. 99% of the time, it will merge them correctly. Sometimes it creates a bit of a mess. So merge selected, hopefully it will just do it properly and will merge them together. And now you've got your pattern layer that's made up obviously of that image, and it could be any of the images you can see here. And this pattern design, of course, could be used as a background, a layer, images, all kinds of different things. And of course, it can still be manipulated. You can rotate the design, resize it. You can resize it like that, stretch it out, make it thinner, make it design like that. All kinds of different designs can be created using this. And also, if you hover over here, let's just hover just there, If you just move slightly out, you can see you can now skew it. So you can create an interesting skew effect like that as well to create all kinds of unique diamond-like designs or pattern designs in Affinity Photo.